Morning, 44 Trading Nation. Can you guys hear me out there? Quick sound check. Yep, right on mark. Darren, cool. Steve, Dan, good morning. Steve, awesome, awesome. Well. Meta's out there taking Apple's top folks. How about it? And so it begins. Look at Meta stock taking off, up almost 30 some odd points. Pretty wild. We'll keep an eye on that. Maybe we'll get a little bit of fading here at the open, but definitely a bullish move for Meta. And at the same time, they decided to get out of the metaverse business. So where do you think they're going to be funneling that money? Hey, Brian, good morning. Anyway, definitely going to be keeping a very close eye on Meta. What a huge mover this morning. I know Scott will be on here in a couple minutes, but just real quick, wanted to review Snowflake. I'm sure I see that on a lot of y'all's watch list this morning. Worth noting, it's sitting right at its IPO price, 245. So it's 243 and change right now. Let's see how it behaves in and around that area. I've got a few levels marked up on that specific chart. And then CRM, something similar. 242.08 is the level I've got marked on my chart, and then 255 overhead. And that was kind of in anticipation of this earnings call. I don't really like it. I want to see if CRM pops a little bit. You guys already know I throw an anchored VWAP on anytime we see earnings. So I'll hit that on the first initial candle. Puts us right up to about 247. If we get up there, start to reject, I might decide to short that position. Guys, these markets are on a tear. They are moving up. They're moving up quickly. And we did get some kind of negative data today. So I think people are getting a little bullish on essentially forcing the hand of the Fed to cut the rates next week. Anyway, I will stop chatting because I know the man, the myth, the legend, Scott is in the house. Scott, good morning. How you doing?
Man, I'm doing great. Welcome, traders, and good morning to everybody here in the 44 trading room. Welcome to everybody here in the room, and welcome to everybody on YouTube this morning. Great day to be alive, great day to be trading here, and we've got good volatility in the market as DVG had responded and talked about. Futures have turned around this morning. They were red, now green, and that's a good thing if you're long this market. We're going to get into that and a little bit more here in the condensed time period we have before this market gets going here on this Thursday session. All right, let's talk about the markets here. Start off with Asia. Get you kind of focused in on the global, if not the 30,000, 40,000 foot view of the markets, where in the overnight session we saw the Nikkei gain 1,163.74 points, up 2.33%. Big news for the Nikkei. Hong Kong Hang Seng up 175, Shanghai and China down 2 points. Europe still in session. They're green across the board. German DAX up 198. FTSE in the UK up 17, and the CAC 40 in Paris up 39. You combine that with Asia, you got 5 markets up, 1 market down, putting pressure on the U.S. futures this morning to the upside, and that's what we have. Dow futures this morning up 39, NASDAQ futures up 72, and the S&P E-mini futures up 17.75, 17 and 3/4. If you're in the gold patch this morning, well, up $2.50 is all, 42.35, $4,235 per troy ounce. Silver's down a little bit, about 0.79, 0.80%. Copper's down, platinum's down, palladium is down as well. And if you're in the oil patch this morning, well, oil's up 26 cents, 59.21 per barrel. And crypto market this morning, small loss, but Bitcoin recovering now up to 92,676, down $415 here this morning. Ether's up, Solana's up, Dogecoin's down, and XRP down as well. So headline news, layoff announcements this year top 1.1 million, the most since 2020 when the pandemic hit. FBI arresting a suspect in the January 6th pipe bomb case. That's really about it. Not much happening out there as far as big news. NVIDIA, top line news here. They have a cash problem, which is too much of it. What are they going to do with it? They're going to buy things, invest, what have you. And that's really about it. So stocks going to have to stand on their own this morning. And we got the right stocks, I think, picked this morning, ready to rock and roll. Let's say good morning to everybody here in the room. Steve, good morning. Clifton, good morning. Mark, good morning. Andy, thank you for posting. Appreciate that. I did not see Tiger this morning, TIGR. Let me take a quick look at that. TIGR this morning. Yeah, it looks great this morning. TIGR. Yep, perfect. And then QURE, I did not have that one up this morning. I'll take a look at that. Yeah, it looks good under 20 this morning. Okay, perfect, perfect. Thank you, Andy. Yep, Seth, good morning. Darren, good morning. Thank you for posting as well. Dan, good morning. Mark, good morning. Yep, Steve, good morning. Steve C, good morning. Steve Farr, good morning. Brian, good morning. Jay, what do you say? Christian, good morning. Divide, good morning. And good morning to Clifton. Okay, couple things here. 5 this morning, long 168 FIVE. I'll be watching this stock here, long at 168. And what else do we have? Oh, DG this morning, 116. Dollar General posting better and raising. That's DG long 116. Yep. We'll see if that flushes down this morning. Nice to be picking it up a little bit lower. And then Path over 16, not a big mover, but great news on PATH. Long over 16. There we go. And then we've got we've got AMD this morning and NVIDIA. So AMD, that's going to be a long this morning, 218 AMD. Okay. DVG, anything that you really love this morning that you're really keying in on to take long or short today?
Meta for sure. Snowflake for sure. CRM is kind of on the backdrop just because of earnings. I don't really like what I heard on the earnings call. It's one that I actually listened to. Again, Snowflake, want to see a bounce, and CRM, I want to see a bounce before I initiate a short position on either one. The only good thing is Snowflake beat top and bottom, but it had a pretty sharp sell-off. So I'm wondering if this 245 becomes a buy zone to move to the upside, or if it becomes rejection and we aim lower. So those are kind of the first 2 or 3. I am keeping Oracle on my watch list. They got a really nice pump yesterday. If you guys remember, I shorted that in the initial open. And what a bull flag, the mother of all bull flags we set up yesterday. And we finally got that pop. I'm watching also the SPY. 685.70 was a previous high. We just put that in pre-market, so let's keep an eye on 685.70. If we get above that, we should be breaking out and heading towards all-time highs. If we continue to reject that, that could be bears stepping in to try to protect that potential breakout. So that's kind of what I'm keeping an eye on. I know it's a lot, but I know we have a few minutes to kind of digest it. What about you?
Yeah, I still like 5 this morning. I like DG this morning. I was just going to read to the team here on the 5 trade just to make sure that that everybody's on the same page. The discount retailer jumped 4.5% after its third quarter results blew past expectation. Adjusting earnings came in at 68 cents, 3 times higher than the 24 cents expected. 5 below revenue of 1.04 billion, topped the 980 million. So that stock 5, I think, is fantastic here for an opportunity to go long.
You know what else is also interesting is so apparently that news on Microsoft yesterday turned out to be fake news, very fake news. And so I'm wondering if maybe that gets a pop. I know 478 has been a really, really big level for Microsoft in the last however long. So I'm wondering if, because that's been called out as fake news, if it actually gets a pop today. So that'll also be another one that I keep a very close eye on, seeing if we can get a move to the upside. Markets right now sure look like they're cooking with gas. So that'll be another one I keep an eye on.
Okay, going to watch that 5 right away at the open here. And we've got the open in 52 seconds.
Good luck, traders. I'm actually going to use options on Microsoft, so I'm probably looking at a 485 strike that expires tomorrow.
What's the price at it?
Well, it's probably in around $1.30, my guess, at the open here. Yesterday, they bid and ask at the close was 115 to 133, so probably be in and around there.
Yeah.
So for $150, take a little bit of risk, probably stack maybe, I don't know, 20 call options. And if it hits, great. If it doesn't, that's fine too. 13 seconds. Good luck, traders.
Yeah, let's have a great day, traders. And we are open. Like I said, I'll be watching that that 5 trade here as it dips below 160. I'll try to pick some up around the 159.5.
I filled it a $1.21 on these 485 call options for Microsoft. Very nice. Snowflake getting that dip. Watching CRM now, 247. So area I'm watching.
We open up a little green. DG off to the races here, Dollar General. You know, I was going to buy that 5 pre-market here. Darn it. Man, what a disgrace. I should have taken advantage of it.
CRM nailed 246 and rolled. Oh, that's painful to see. I wanted that 247 and just dropped 6 points. Boom. Wow. Okay. Okay, let's keep an eye on the SPY, guys. 685.70 for a potential breakout here. We're getting the move now on Microsoft. Looking good on these call options. I'm going to probably add here to them just because they're pretty inexpensive. They're up at $1.36 now. We got an $1.21. So I'm going to add to this here. Let's double up. Let's do it. There it is. That works. Yes, please. Keep going.
My one opportunity on 5. Darn it.
Come on, Softy. Take off. Man, CRM, what a miss, though. That's too bad. Surely. Snowflake did the same exact thing. 245 did it get to? 244.14. So $1 away on both. Oh, that is agitating. I don't know if anybody's had a chance. Here's the pullback on Meta. It's kind of what I was expecting.
Didn't CRM post good earnings, though, I read. Let me look. Salesforce company raised its fourth quarter revenue.
Yeah, Rev missed, though.
Sales now expects in third quarter results were mixed. So not all roses.
Take some off of Softy here in just a moment. Looking to see if we can get over yesterday's highs, not at the open, but those peaks around 483. So you can get a push above those. Maybe we see 486, 485. We shall see. We'll get ready to take a partial low in just a moment.
Okay, here comes 5 again. If it gets down to that 158, 159, I'll be a buyer here in size. I'm not quick enough here this morning. But first candle, can wait it out.
Yeah. That would have been an awesome short on both those Snow and CRM. The trouble now, though, is if they get back to those levels, they're probably going to move higher. Google pulling back sharply here.
Market's only up 16 points on the NASDAQ.
Uh-oh. Market's rolling over a little bit here. Watching Oracle now. No, Microsoft, don't do it.
Why? On which stock, partner? Which stock?
Whoa, big pullback now.
I'm not in anything yet. On 5, yeah, let's get in first and then we'll discuss it. I'm going to try to get in 158, 159. Stop loss will be 156 on the stock if we get in that low. There's no guarantee that we're going to break 160 to the downside here, so let's be careful.
Whoa, guys, SPY and the Q's really pulling it now. Microsoft pulling lower. I don't like that. Might have to close this out. We'll see. We had a nice pop, but now it's dropping. So trying to be patient here.
Yeah, myself too. Just a little bit too patient here. Market floundering right now.
Might be kicking myself for not taking a partial here on Softy.
Shoot, Marvel was an easy trade at 100. Darn.
Sorry, excuse me, guys.
What's it going to be?
I'm watching Oracle. Look at it go now. Now there comes the breakout. Wow, wow, wow. Oracle looking great. 209. Still hanging on to Microsoft right now. If we get back up over 479, let's call it 480. I'll add even more. Keeping an eye on the SPY. Big red roll, but let's see if we can break out over 685.70 and go push those all-time highs. We're going to need names like NVIDIA as well. Look at NVIDIA go. Oracle looking fantastic now. Didn't take it, but watching Google at 318.06. Big level I have marked. Tesla now taking off. Guys, we should get a nice push here on markets. I mean, these big names are leading the charge, breaking out here. So we'll keep an eye on this and see if we actually get a full-blown breakout. If we reject, though, this could be catastrophic. So NVIDIA on the move. What AMD? What's AMD doing? Okay, it's Microsoft.
I'm going to come into DG this morning. Dollar General at 116. DG long 116. Yep, let me get it posted here. DG 116. 114 will be my stop, and we're looking at 119 target here. Okay, wait for the 116 break.
Getting a little nervous here on this Microsoft trade. I might have to cut it. I'm just looking around and I see all the other big tech names pushing higher. So maybe they're just trying to get some more volume and break out above 485. I don't know. This could get expensive. Stop will be under the close, so 477.70 we'll call it. Hopefully I don't get tagged and then it turns and burns. I'm watching put options though right now on the SPY. So a lot of premium gets stacked in there. Come on, Softy, get up there. Meta looking good here, guys. I wanted to see it bounce off 664. I think we got there. We got down to 661.20 today. There goes Oracle. Darn it, missed it. There we go. NVIDIA now absolutely exploding to the upside here.
Okay, I'm watching DG for that opportunity. 116 entry.
Wow, Oracle. Jeez, CRM now crashing. Let's get involved. 238. Sure.
Okay, no trade DG. I'll take it through 115. I'm going to buy it right here. Buying at 115.04. I'm long the stock now. DG, got a better deal on it than what we did before on DG.
238.50. We're in CRM short.
Okay, traders, target's going to be 117. And then we'll evaluate. We may add.
Man, NVIDIA is just ripping. Look at it go. Wow. NVIDIA. All right, let's see if we can get a little more out of this move from CRM here.
I was DVG. I was seconds away from entering FIVE pre-market 158.90, and now it's printing 168. Man, just couldn't get it. Couldn't get my fingers going quick enough. Darn it.
Oh, don't tell me
Come on,
CRM is going
DG.
to bounce now. And Softy's moving lower. This is not good, man. I'm picking the wrong ones today. Ah, jeez. All right, CRM, I might have to dump this. Even though it was a nibble, I don't want to be wrong 2 points and then it turns to 5 points. That's too bad.
Yeah, come on, DG. Come on, baby. You can do this. Looking great.
Microsoft getting close to my stop here. No.
Watch the 117 target now. 117 target.
Wow, Microsoft out. Jeez.
30 cents to go. DG. There's our 117 right here. Watch the VWAP now on DG. We clear the VWAP 118. Be simple here. It's going to be a big trade for myself, traders.
Barely hanging on to CRM here. Man, that Microsoft trade hurt though. Still looking good to the downside.
118. 118. You can do it. You can do it. Here we go.
Watch the SPY here.
Watch the 118 break to the upside. DG.
SPY near session lows. Still in the CRM trade barely, man. You know what? I might actually add to it if we don't bounce.
And going to come out here 118 even on the DG trade. So there you go. 2 points on DG. I think there's some more upside to the trade as well. So that's super nice. All right.
Okay, I'm going to add this CRM, guys. Risky. Hopefully we don't bounce. I see SPY and the Q is really fighting near session lows. Worth noting, we are up near all-time highs. So can we flush here? Maybe my Microsoft trade, maybe I get a second chance. I don't know, but I got kind of wrecked on that one. Get back a ton of money. So it is what it is. No add on CRM yet. Meta pulling back now.
Okay, watch 119. That's where I'll come out of the rest here on DG. Super trade. It was either going to be 5 or DG today. And just happy I got 1 because I blew it on 5. Market just treading water, DVG.
hanging out the 683.73 area on the SPY. Not wanting to give up the base. If it does, though, we could flush pretty quickly here. But big level. We've been watching for the last couple of days. So if we're retesting this, maybe we bounce here and shoot higher. AMD popping now. Man, if the SPY breaks the 683.73 area, could be a problem. It looks like it's just testing it to look to bounce, though. Let's watch it. Microsoft aiming even lower, guys. Wow, that thing is tanking. It's too bad.
You can certainly add over 119.
Need CRM to fall apart now. All right, let's do it, guys.
Awesome,
it's a risk.
Nick.
If we bounce here, I'm in trouble. But I'm going to go full share size on CRM to the downside. Let's hit it.
Nick, love the comments. I mean, I'm glad you put in your 15 minutes of work today. It's a way to do it, my friend. All you need is one, that's for sure. All you need is one.
SPY aiming lower. Oh, CRM, what are you doing? Wrong direction. 478, guys. I might get back involved with Microsoft here. We'll see. I'm in full share size CRM. Like, so this could hurt me if we don't fall apart here.
There we go with DG. Now, 5 looking great. So let's just see if it comes below here. 5 below. If it comes below 160, I'm going to be in. DG continuing. Yeah, perfect. Yep. You got the 119. Now we got 120 ahead of us. We'll see.
Ah, CRM. Oh, that's so bad. All right. Well, I was wrong on CRM again. Jeez, that's terrible, Scott. $242.08 overhead. Watching the SPY here.
Come on, 5, sync for us here. Almost tempted to pick it up right here for like 3 or 4 points, but I'm going to wait. Both markets red right now. Dow's down 26, NASDAQ down 19. Still treading water here. You're in a short on PBW.
I'm going to probably have to die on the trade of CRM here in a moment, guys. This is not good for me. Wow. Gross. Microsoft's also rolling over. SPY, there goes the SPY.
Mod all shares DG. All shares DG, I'm done.
New session low on the SPY. CRM grows. Ah.
Yeah, if the bottom comes out here, you're starting to lose volume on 5 as well as DG. I like Toast over 35.90. I'll post this here.
Watch the SPY here, guys. Getting heavy. Maybe I get it on CRM after all. Man, I barely held on there. There's a SPY move. There we go.
Okay, there we go on Toast.
Watching 682.97. We break that. Maybe we actually accelerate to the downside here. We'll see. Okay, watch the SPY. Come on, CRM. Fall apart, would you? Jeez. Yes. Okay, watch the SPY. There we go. Broke that 682.97. Come on, CRM. Jeez. Survived that pullback barely. But man, that was brutal. Let's get it done now.
Stop for if we get into 5, you mean? I'm already out of DG. CRM, come on. Let's see this full share size kick. Oh, Toast. Yeah, okay. Toast, if we get in to Toast, stop loss will be 35.
Bouncing off the close now.
AMD down a bunch, DVG.
Oh, yeah, big pullback there. I might have to give up on CRM, guys. I hate to do it. It just keeps bouncing off the close. It's not rejecting my initial entry. Coulda, shoulda, woulda got in a little higher like I wanted to. I get to document that one today. Guys, 478 Microsoft. Let's do it. I'm going to go long. Let's do it. Try it again. Yay. Wow, CRM. Just an absolute disaster of a trade now.
Yep, 5 just not doing anything because there's no volume in it. DG again at 119 could be bought if you want to put some risk out there. Marvel, MRVL, watching that too, gets below 100, take it up through 100. High of the day was up over 102.50.
Come on, Softy, get up there. Breakout over 482 would be amazing. But right now we're stuck under the VWAP. So looks like they're trying to turn around a bit. Man, CRM, I'm going to dump this garbage. Unbelievable. If I take this loss on CRM, I'm probably going to be taking a quick break.
No, it's just sitting there. Very, very little movement on 5. Toast is toast. No trade. Watch MRVL. Watch MRVL. Possible dip below 100, and then we'll take it up through that. Watching 5 as well.
All right, I'm going to put my stop at 242.08 on CRM. If we hit that, I will be down $4,000 on that trade, which is unfortunate. But maybe we get the break. At this point, I'm still rooting for it. Microsoft kind of back at that 478 print, waffling around. Not to get too worried about it just yet. SPY and the keys just put new session low in.
And 5 starting to come down. Love it at the 158, 159. Got a little ways to go. See if it breaks. NVDA, big move down.
Come on, CRM. Man. See it go down like a couple $1,000 and then it's back to like, oh, that's manageable. Let's see if we get a launch here on Microsoft. Nice consolidation down here at the bottom, but it could easily break lower, and that's okay. I have to my stop loss at the low of session on Microsoft. There will be no additional buying the dip here. Start getting over 480 though, I may nail it for like 2-3 size, 2-3x the size. We started with options, but now we're in the shares, so let's see what happens.
I don't know. I think so. Yeah, let's do that. MRVL. I'll put toast over here, and we'll call MRVL over 100. Stop loss will be 99. Let me just check that real quickly here. MRVL long.
You know what? I'm going to have to trim my position in CRM. It's just getting too expensive.
Long Marvel at 100, stop loss 99. Target 101.
Okay, trimming here, CRM. Still have a position to the downside, but it's not going to be full share size. SPY wants to bounce here, guys.
Darren, there you go on DG. Now pushing 120.
Oh no, CRM. No. Expensive trade today, Scott, on that one.
Are you still in the CRM trade or no?
Yeah. I just trimmed it, but it's still, I mean, it's expensive. I still have the same stop, 242.08. Looks like it's coming.
Okay, here comes MRVL.
You know what? I'm going to go for it on Microsoft. I'm going to add more here.
I'm long MRVL. Just came in at 99.97. Stop loss will be 90. 99, sorry.
Now it's CRM. So it just moved down 1.5 in one candle, just boom. Of course, right after I take half of my position off. Silly stock. All right, so we've got a decent position here now. Microsoft at the bottom here. Watching Oracle pull back here, could be interested in that as well. That said, we do see the SPY rolling over. Qs are rolling over. Okay, near the highs. What's going on with Apple today? Did I miss my short on Apple, guys? Because, oh, I did. What? I figure, you know, they lose their top designer to Meta. Sure enough.
Yeah, I contemplated 5, but did not take it in the Marvel trade instead. Well, good thing we didn't take Toast. Yeah, I mean, Toast is Toast.
Google's down at 317 now.
101 target. 101 target on Marvel. Good job, Wyatt. Perfect. Got a couple of people in there with me on Marvel. Just have patience. 101 target.
There we go. Here comes the breakout on Microsoft. Watch 479. We get over 480. I'm going to load this thing. We started again with options. Now we're in this with shares. So let's see if we can get a big move. Make up for some of the silliness on CRM this morning. It's feeling like it's trying to turn around like the exact same market we saw yesterday on CRM. We see the initial flush and then turns around and rips your face off with a rally. That's what I'm nervous about now.
Come on, Marvel, take off for us.
I'm going to early add to Microsoft here. We're just under 479 in case we get liftoff. Full share size. Happy to add way more too. See if we can make some of this money back from CRM. Stupid trade. Microsoft just under the 200 EMA. Getting some rejection there. Right at 479. So let's see if we can get a push here. Took over 479.20 or so. Nice area of consolidation. If we can get above that, that'd be great on Microsoft. So
14 cents to the good, just taking care of yesterday's close here at that 120. And hopefully Marvel starts to take off here. Don't see anything else. Seth has got looking at Tesla.
450.
Yeah. Which is right here, right now. So you take it up through 450 now. Remember, stop loss will be the break of 99 to the downside.
Snowflake. Come on, Microsoft. You got to save my day now. Up over 479.20. It should pop. Big pop. Okay, we're almost there. Big pop. Come on. I don't know, man.
Getting zero help from the overall market.
Here goes Microsoft. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Go, baby, go. 484 target would be amazing. We're full share size. I might even add if we get over high of session. Waiting for a partial at least to like 480.50 or so. If we get to 481 in a hurry, then yeah, I'll just let it keep going. But
Now on Marvel, I'm not full share size yet. No, I just came in at 100, and we'll just see what happens. The stock's got to turn around here, though. Get through 100, get some volume into it. You could see the volume is really scarce on the stock right now. So just keep an eye on it. Sometimes things don't work out immediately, but that's why we stick with them.
Snowflake looking like it's going to fall now. My target on CRM is like 232. So on the one hand, I was down 2 points, but I wanted to get, 6. It's like a 3-to-1 trade. And the trouble is like now it's right back towards my entry, finding support every single time. Right at the close, 238.72. It's getting a little nervous here on Softy. What do you think, Scott?
Well, I mean, I think you stick with the trade here. I mean, it's above the VWAP line. My opinion, there's no real reason to jump out early here. I would target that close to 480.
Yeah.
Call it 479.80, somewhere in there, about a point away on the upside. If it breaks the VWAP, decision time, right? Very tempted now on 5. Every time it's come down here, it's bounced. Couple 3 points. Well, wait a minute.
SPY hanging out the lows.
Yes.
SPY just put in a new session low. Hanging on to this Microsoft trade. Could make my day. CRM was still red on the trade, but maybe we get a chance like this one even break it even. Trim it, break even. I don't know, man. It's a pretty gross trade right now. SPY getting a nice bounce here. Bull's trying to fight.
Yeah, let's just see what it does. If I came in at 162 on 5, we'll see where we're at.
Meanwhile, snow is falling apart. Spies aiming lower. Well, I'll tell you what. I'm just going to break even on Softy if it gets down there. So we'll put the stop. Actually, we'll put it right at the close. 477.73. Right as I say that, it just rolled over. Shoot.
DG looking for that 121 now. Okay, there goes 5. Like I said, 159-ish in there. I'll probably jump on it.
Q's bouncing here. Spy bouncing here. We might get a rally here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay.
Yeah, we'd really love to see 5 flush here. Be tremendous. I think it's a tremendous opportunity, actually.
AMD looking good. Oh, CRM. Okay, I'm done with that trade. What a nightmare that was. Done. Well, it's a nice little bearish candle there for markets to roll over here. SPY on its way to session lows. We might get stopped out of the Microsoft trade here. If that's the case, I'll be making some tea and taking a taking a seat for a little bit. Jeez. That'll do it. Microsoft done. Jeez. All right, Scott. Well, I'm gonna take a break, man.
I get it.
Swing and miss here. Don't want to be in that position and start, taking revenge trades. So I'm gonna take a moment, take a breather. Market's rolling over here now on the SPY and the Qs, aiming a little bit lower. Big red day for me, guys, unfortunately. So I'll be patient. Enjoy some. What does that? Learn it from me. What does that mean? Anyways, I'll be back.
Below 99 will come out of here on Marvel. Marvel right back up. We'll see if it holds. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to take 5 off my radar now. Just pathetic volume right now. Market just kind of squatting right where it's at. Yeah, then I say that and then it bounces, right? It's okay. I'm going to wait for Marvel right now and monitor the market. That's what I'm going to do. Every time it's worth a bounce. Nothing else. Nope. NVDA straight up. Wow. Yeah, I'm catching some bids. Okay.
What a bounce on SanDisk.
Same thing with the NVDA right off the bottom.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, there it is. Yeah. Kind of frustrating to see my Microsoft position got stopped out and now it's back up. Is what it is. Just goes to show, even after we're doing this for so long, we're still human. It can be frustrating, but it's good to take a little break, get away from the screens, reset, not get upset. It's just, I was wrong and a little too long on CRM today. That's okay. It happens. The cues look like it's about to rip. Maybe AMD here. Let's see. by the way, Jensen Huang was on the Joe Rogan Experience. Kind of a cool interview to check out. I really do think that Softy has a chance of being like the canary today. Hims is catching some bids. Let's look. No doubt, yeah. Look at that thing go. Palantir having trouble with 177 at the moment. AVGO moving up nicely. Missed that trade. I bullish that one up to about 384.
Wow, DG. Think about all the money I missed out on DG.
I don't know how to trade that. But let's see what that looks like. Whoa.
We were in it at 115, 116.
Oh, no.
Yeah. But tell you what, made great money on it. Not going to get upset.
Yeah, I'd have been better off just writing you a check for the amount I lost today.
Yeah.
Brutal day for me today, no doubt. So I'm just trading smaller, looking around for opportunities. I did like SanDisk, but nice consolidation. Like that 190 area. Man, it ripped today, man. What was it up? Oh, 12 points. Let's see. I'm surprised to see Tesla slowing down on that push. Like it went crazy yesterday, and then today it's just like waffling around. Next area it wants to be in is that 460 print. Look at NVIDIA. Oof. I'm tempted to nibble a small share size on Serum yet again. So we'll see. What is all this? Look at SanDisk now breaking out another 2 points. Wow. And right where I was talking about maybe a second chance on Serum, it just tanked down that 242.08 print. Too slow. Too slow.
Wow, NVIDIA just a V-bottom recovery. Bingo.
Yep. Look at Snowflake now tanking.
Yep.
Wow, for those of you guys who use the 200 EMA and you pull up Microsoft, it literally tagged that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times with projection. So if it gets above that, it should take off. But we had a false breakout previously when I thought we'd get over 479.20. But if we go revisit that again, maybe it's got a shot. Guys, now look at CRM. Right back to the VWAP. No. Ah. Little concerning now. Look at this market. Q's rolling over, SPY rolling over. Snowflake. Did anybody take Snowflake short? Telling you, Microsoft can't get over this 200 EMA. We do not have a shot of moving higher on these markets. I am convinced today. Look at Apple now, back down to 280. The day I should be shorting Apple. Oh, DVG.
I think I'm going to pull out of here early today. Just two trades. I'm going to hold on to Marvel. Again, my entry is right below 100, 99.97, and my target's 101. So I will. I'm going to step away. I've got a lunch date today. I'll come back later in the day, check in to see if Marvel is going to tackle that 101, unless we get bit by the $99 break. Say 98.90 will be my stop. DVG, sorry for the red day. I'm going to walk out of here as a green player today. Really enjoyed it. Would have nailed, shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? My day would have been 2 to 3 times as good as if I would have bought 5 in the pre-market, but didn't. But DG gave us the big move that we needed. So everybody enjoy. I will see everybody tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a Friday session. We'll get into the weekend right here in the 44 Trading Room. Thank you to everybody on social media, on our Facebook, on our YouTube account. Thanks for joining us, and thanks for trading with us. Appreciate you each and every day. And thank you to the greatest community on earth, posting your trades, showing us what you've got going on, talking about what you do. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Those of you that won't be here tomorrow, I'll see you on Monday morning. DVG, see you then.
Right on.
Take care. Yep.
Thanks, Scott.
Bye-bye.
I am in observe mode right now, guys. Folks, I should say. SanDisk coulda, shoulda, woulda. Didn't buy into that breakout, but look at this thing go now. 209. Huge move. We're heading into the slow zone, the lunch session here. You know what? I might call it just a red day and come back and play again tomorrow. We'll do that. Decide to come back on maybe around, I don't know, 2 o'clock or so. Hopefully we'll see you guys then. But yeah, I'll wait till tomorrow. I'm not seeing anything that really jumps out of the page from a movement perspective. You know, SanDisk kind of missed that one even at 194, 195, 196, 200 even. I mean, like this thing is on a move. Yeah, sorry couldn't be more help today, guys. It happens though. Red day for me, and a big one at that. So not loving that today. It is what it is. We'll be back tomorrow. Fight another day. Till then, we'll see you. Cheers. God bless.